Hello and welcome in. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio, and look what I've got today to share with you. This is a piece of Tibetan turquoise. Turquoise comes in many varieties. You get pieces from US, you get pieces from Tibet. So, all in all, turquoise is said to be a stone of good fortune, a lucky stone, or luck bringer. Let us review and hear some of the facts. In Native America, people used to wear turquoise, and when a turquoise would break, they would believe that there was something negative or a bad omen falling upon them, which turquoise has taken in, and now it's gone from them. Egyptians in 3500 BC used to mine a lot for turquoise. They used to believe that it is going to protect. There are a lot of soldiers and many others said to be wearing turquoise, whether it is journeys, whether it is wars, or whether it is queens and kings needing more good luck. People across different cultures have believed in turquoise. In fact, in Iraq, someone has found a specimen of turquoise as old as 5000 BC. And it is not only about these cultures and these places across the world. As I said, people have believed in the magical power of turquoise. Now this is a throat chakra stone. It also helps your thymus. Your thymus brings in your spiritual connection. Your thymus brings in that harmony within yourself. Also opens you up to forgiveness. It is said that when you have a turquoise with you, when you're wearing it every day, you will not need a friend. You will not have to look out for a friend. So this is the kind of confidence, communication, calmness it brings inside you. It is one of a very detoxifying stones. It detoxifies your negative emotions. It detoxifies your negative aura. Sorry, it detoxifies your negative aura and all that is not right around you, and it brings in that peace, that harmony. Apart from that, across different cultures, people have believed this one to be bringing in a lot of luck. At Yana's Healing Studio, we have multiple of these to be given away. This, how do I go ahead and use, is I keep it near my entrance, near my door, so that it invites a lot of good luck inside my home. So one of these can be placed near your entrance if you are interested in buying this or seeing more turquoise jewelry and jewelry pieces. Or you can get in touch with me or join one of my spiritual supply groups, details of which will be given in the description box below. Thank you so very much for being with me here today. Thank you.